Oh, shoot. Oh, that sounds smooth. It's not like loud, but like smooth, like a really nice. I love the rear calibers. All track bike, guys. These are not street bikes.